Good morning. This is the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for Friday, July 4th. Happy July 4th, everyone. On the impact map, we've got lots going on up front with lightning and showers pushing through the area this morning into early this afternoon. And the southern and western edges did produce quite a bit of lightning on the drier side, which will be followed by wind across parts of northern Nevada and down into southern Utah and southern Nevada. I'll have to watch that today, but cooler weather, showers to the north, and those showers will taper off. Still some leftover breezes through here in the south central areas, and then a general warming and drying trend. A strong summertime high pressure, dry high pressure starts building in. We look here at the satellite imagery. You can see the clouds and showers moving into northern areas, mostly into Idaho and parts of northwest Utah. This front did produce lightning across northern Nevada yesterday, and some new fire starts reported today. We'll look at that in a second, but you can see the lightning, a lot of it in northern and northwestern Nevada, of course, the central Nevada mountains, and lightning further north and east was on the wetter side, as was some of the lightning here in southeast Utah, where there's been some recent precipitation. You see the precipitation estimates over the past 24 hours. Our map does show new fires. We can see some of these larger fires that popped up. A lot of these were lightning caused, at least initial estimates are that. Here in northern Nevada, a lot of smaller starts further to the east, and a little bit larger one here in southern Idaho. Over the past 7 days, it's been quite dry, just scatterings of light precipitation other than the precip currently moving through Idaho. You can see near 0% of normal in that dark red or brown color, but wetter than normal down south. There was a little glancing blow of the monsoon in our southern areas. So the ERC map is a little bit all over the place. Did have some recent moistening down in southern areas where you see the ERCs in the green below the 50th percentile, but critically dry, 90th to even 90, close to 97th percentile, and some of these darker reds as you head across central areas and into southern Idaho as well. Also up into the central Idaho mountains, but a lot of those will be moistening up today with those showers moving through before they continuously dry out later next week. 100-hour fuels, areas in the gold are in the upper single digits. Otherwise, 100-hour fuels quite benign up in the Idaho mountains at the present time, and quite a bit of the area is in drought, and areas in the orange and red are severe to extreme drought conditions, which we have in the south, and also watching the drought conditions up in northern Idaho and Montana, also spreading further south. So looking at the upper level map for today, there's a front moving out of the area by this evening, but still producing clouds and some leftover showers in the north. Otherwise breezy, drier air pushing in under this tannish shade, and we do have high risk for gusty winds and low humidity across parts of western Nevada, areas that did receive quite a bit of lightning yesterday. You have to watch that. Also areas that received lightning over the past week, parts of Nevada and Utah also will have to be watched. Looking at those winds, you can see quite strong across near the Nevada-Utah border, gusts approaching 40 miles an hour, and gusts 30 to 35 here in northern Nevada. But these are areas that had quite a bit of lightning in the last 24 hours. I'll have to be watched. Gustier winds up north, that will be in the vicinity of showers and also higher humidity. See the humidity up in Idaho, 35 to 54%, but single digits to near 10% as you head further south. Looking at Saturday, we continue to have drier air coming in. The wind starts slackening off a little bit. You can see our 70 outlook, no high risk. Still some breezy winds, gusts in the mid-20s here in southern Utah and also in parts of eastern Idaho, western Wyoming, but humidity up north still not critically dry, but very dry, single digits to low teens further south. The upper low sits there and drifts a little bit off the California coast as we go into Sunday. We start drying out again. You can see the humidity drying not just in southern areas, but also getting into the teens now in Idaho. That's going to start a trend of warmer, drier conditions, albeit with lighter winds, as you see here on the left. 3-day precipitation totals, most of this will be in the next 12 to 24 hours and confined to our northern areas. Monsoon will be pushed further south, and we go into the next week. Even though we have low pressure approaching, it's pushing in drier air off the Pacific, not from the monsoonal source, so we'll stay dry. High pressure will start building in, and we start getting hotter as we go into Tuesday and even into Wednesday. High pressure nearby. This is a dry low. You see by the time we get into Wednesday how many PSAs have gone into the moderate risk brown category with that heat. And then the high pressure actually starts rebuilding off the Pacific coast. We'll be watching that. Monsoon moisture nowhere near us at the present time. 7-day outlook, again, much of this in our northern areas in the next 24 hours. And the extended outlook into July 11th to the 17th. Quite a bit warmer than normal, also drier than normal. This concludes our briefing. Have a great day.